Today we are at Georgetown District High School hosting the Secondary Skills Competition for Halton District School Board. We're super excited to have almost 200 students here from across all the schools in Halton and across 27 different competitions. We have competitions from A to W, starting from animation to welding and all between, from baking and hairstyling and aesthetics to CAD, so computer-assisted design, and precision manufacturing, to small engine repair. It's important to include these competitions and include students so that we can develop a sense of community among our technological education programs. As students develop skills and creativity, they can help each other problem solve, build resiliency, and creativity.
We're doing carpentry team of 2 today. We're making a rustic coffee table. I like doing hands-on things. I really like the trades, and construction is good because you can build things and bring them home, and I can make gifts for people, so I like that. Just that I love it, and when I graduate, I'm really going to miss this part of school.
We want our students to have fun and to take pride in the very challenging skills that they have developed. We want them to learn how to problem solve, how to be resilient in the face of maybe something that didn't go as planned. We want them to build a community and really feel like their school communities, but also their board communities are behind them.